Hey, if you want to turn off ads in your POCO C75, first of all, I will highly recommend you to start from the themes application because, as you know, when you try to change themes, when you try to download some wallpapers and stuff like this, you will get a lot of pop-up ads. So start by going into My Account, tap on the right upper corner and select this one. Don't show ads. And now when you navigate here, you shouldn't actually get any pop-up ads. And also if you have ads in any other places, like for example in the file manager, so you will have to just open it. Now just click on the square button and click and hold with your finger. And now you'll be redirected into, into settings. And when you are here, go to the notifications and simply just turn them off. So here you can find some notifications, like Spotlight, but I can recommend you to turn all of them. And now when you navigate right here, check some options like copy some data or basically search for something. You shouldn't actually get any pop-up ads. And yeah, you can actually apply this for any application that will pop ads for you on this phone.